Hi students, in the previous chapter of civics, we have discussed the meanings of diversity. Sometimes people who are different from others are teased, laughed at, or not included in a certain activity or group. We feel hurt, angry, helpless, or sad when friends or others treat us in such ways. Have you ever wondered why this happens? In this chapter, chapter 2, Diversity and Discrimination, we will try and explore how such experiences are related to the society we live in. We will look at how they are connected to the inequalities that exist around us. Diversity refers to the ways that we all are different from one another. We believe diversity, that is, all the things that make us different, should be appreciated and celebrated. Yes, dear children, we should appreciate and celebrate the diversity. Next is discrimination. Discrimination is when people treat others badly because they are different from them in some way. But students, we should not discriminate anyone because they are different from us. We should appreciate each other. Students, we shall discuss these topics today. Difference and prejudice, creating stereotypes, inequality and discrimination, on being discriminated against. Students, let us learn today about difference and prejudice. There are many things that make us what we are. There are 8 major religions in the world, and each one of them is practiced in India. People in India speak more than 1600 local languages. People form certain attitudes and opinions about those they do not like. We develop negative opinions about certain people and carry them forever. And you know what is prejudice? Prejudice means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. Creating stereotype. Gender differences are common in India. Various stereotypes are associated with a boy and girl. As children grow up, they develop strong stereotypes. We fit all boys and girls into an image created by the society. For example, when we say, as children grow up, they start believing that boys do not cry, so that even if a boy feels like crying, he stops himself from doing so. He also believes that crying is a sign of weakness. So, even though both boys and girls sometimes want to cry, especially if they are angry or in pain, as they grow older, boys learn nor teach themselves not to cry. If a grown up boy cries, then he feels that others will either tease him or laugh at him. So, he stops himself from doing so in front of others. Students, the children you see in the illustrations here were seen as disabled. This term has been changed and now the term used is children with special needs. Discuss what these children are saying about stereotypes regarding them and why. The first child is telling, I limp, I lisp, all this and more. Sometimes I feel so sad and sore. Folks make fun, that means people make fun. It is nothing new. If you were I, what would you do? Another child is sitting on the wheelchair telling, I am a person. I feel shy. From staring eyes, I want to hide. When people look at her, she feels so bad. Another one is drawing the picture. Just because my legs are wobbly means not steady. People think my mind is wobbly too. Wobbly means not steady. Inequality and discrimination. When people act according to their stereotypes, discrimination begins. Discrimination takes place because of various reasons like religion, economic background, social status, etc. A common stereotype about Muslims is that they are not interested in educating girls and therefore do not send girls to school. However, studies have now shown that poverty amongst Muslims is an important reason why Muslim girls do not attend school or leave school after a few years. Wherever effort has been made to reach education to the poor, there the Muslim community has shown an interest in sending their girls to school. Students, let us learn how discrimination is taking place in a society. Different people are engaged in different works like teaching, carpentry, pottery, weaving, fishing, farming, etc. All these people are doing to earn a livelihood. However, certain kinds of work are valued more than others. Activities like cleaning, washing, cutting the hair, picking garbage are seen as tasks that are of less value, and people who do this work are seen as dirty or impure. This belief is an important aspect of the caste system. In the caste system, communities or groups of people were placed in a sort of ladder where each caste was either above or below the other. Those who placed themselves at the top of this ladder called themselves upper caste and saw themselves as superior. The groups who were placed at the bottom of the ladder were seen as unworthy and called untouchables. Discrimination denies respect and dignity to the person being discriminated against. So, this system, dear children, is not good in the society. So, we should consider everyone as equal. Recapitulation of the lesson. Diversity refers to the ways that we all are different from one another. Discrimination is when people treat others badly because they are different from them in some way. Prejudice means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. When we fix people into one image, we create a stereotype. When people act according to their stereotypes, discrimination begins. Some works are valued more than others. Some works based on caste system are seen as dirty and impure. Some people place and consider themselves as superior to others. Groups placed at the bottom of the social order were seen as unworthy.